हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम अपने आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि हम ऑफसेट फंक्शन को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं। एंड यूजुअली आई सॉ पीपल हु आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम व्हाइल यूजिंग ऑफसेट। ओके, सो एंड दे आर कंफ्यूज व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग ऑफसेट एंड व्हाई वी नीड ऑफसेट इन एक्सेल। ओके, सो लेट मी क्लियर वन थिंग, ऑफसेट इज नथिंग. We are using offset to select dynamic range, or we can say like whenever you want your ranges update based on the selection, then we are using offset. Okay, and the another thing is that ki offset can be used with any another function like sum, average we can use inside the function. So on the screen I am writing some number by using rand between function. Whenever we are talking about the offset, we are talking about the range, or we can say the simple single cell. Okay, now here I would like to select complete range. Let's suppose here I am selecting the basically multi range. Okay, so I wanted to select this range and this range by using the offset function. So this is my table. At this first, ये टेबल है और इसमें मेरे को क्या करना है, नंबरिंग देनी है। हम नंबरिंग कैसे देते हैं ऑफसेट के अंदर? 0 1 2 3 4 5. आई विल टेल यू व्हाई आई एम गिविंग दिस 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. दिस इज बेसिकली द रेफरेंस नंबरिंग. लेट मी हाईलाइट इट दिस अगेन. Okay, something is little bit dark. Okay, now I wanted to select horizontal range. Offset. Before applying the offset function, I wanted to explain argument of offset function. Basically, we have a major 5 argument in offset. First one is the reference. Reference is nothing from which location you wanted to see your data, or we can say from which location you are viewing your data. Okay, reference can be this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell, any cell can be the reference. Okay, row is nothing from which location your data ranges start. Okay, so in my table I wanted to select this and I'm giving the reference this 37. Okay, and just fix it. Now it is asking about the rows. So my range row number is starting from the 3 because I wanted to select this, and reference table में अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये 3 पर आता है, which is the reference number is 3. Okay, and column, which column you wanted to select. In my range I wanted to start my range from this column only, which is 0. If you will see in the column 0 is the reference. Okay, and height is how many rows. So in my range having only one row, so height will be the 1. Width, how many column? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are the column. Okay, and whenever you are applying offset function, it will give hash value. Okay, to see your range is correctly selected or not, what you need to do, just press F2 and select all the range. Go to the formula tab, click on the define name and mention here h1. Just give any name. Okay, offset. Okay, okay, horizontal range. Okay, now go to the name range and click on the HR and click. See, my desired range is selected. Just close it. Now we will talk about the vertical selection. Again offset, my reference is 37 as earlier, and my rows will be starting from the 0. Okay, and my column is starting from the 0 1 2 3. Okay, and height, as I said, number of rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and width, how many columns? So basically we have a 2 column here, and enter. So again, to see the result, control C, go to the define name and give here VR as a vertical range and paste your offset function. OK, go to the name range and select VR and see my desired cells are selected, or we can say desired range is selected. Okay, and hope you are clear about offset function and how we are using offset function. In my next video we will see how we work with updated range, or how the range are updated based on the selection. If you gain something from here, please subscribe my channel, like my video and comment, and press the bell icon for my new videos. Thank you so much.